This snack right here is such a tasty treat. These were our Butterscotch Haystacks. They are super easy to make and require no baking at all. We're going to list all the ingredients right in the description for you to look at afterwards. Let's get rolling. First here, we're going to grab 1 2/3 cups of butterscotch baking chips. You can see we're slightly short. Well, because our son, 19 years old, he got to those before we did. So we're a little bit short, but that's okay. We did melt those chips in a microwave, as you can see. Now we give that a nice stir to make a beautiful butterscotch sauce. Man, that looks good. I love butterscotch. Now we're going to combine it with another favorite of mine, some creamy peanut butter. We're going to grab 3/4 of a cup of peanut butter and add that right into our melted butterscotch, which is such a tasty combination. Once you get all that creamy peanut butter into that bowl, you're going to want to give this a full stir. We're going to speed up Julie. It's 5 times the speed as she mixes up this delicious combo. And there we go. That was the sound of 10 ounces of Chow Mein Noodles into a large mixing bowl. And we're going to follow that up with 3.5 cups of our mini marshmallows into that same bowl. Then we add our small bowl of butterscotch and peanut butter, mix it into that large bowl, and you want to gently stir this. So what Julie is doing here is she likes to use that rubber spatula and scoop underneath and just kind of flip everything over and just slowly stir it in. You want to be very gentle with this, trying to avoid breaking too many noodles. You're certainly going to break some here, but as long as you're preserving most of them, you'll be all right. So you get those fully covered in the butterscotch and the peanut butter, and then you're going to grab a small spoon and scoop out your small little haystacks, placing them onto a wax paper covered tray. Here Julie's using an 18 by 13 inch cookie sheet pan, which we link to in the description. It's really a great size for doing this. We're spacing these out a little bit more than you really need to, just for the sake of the video, but as long as they're far enough apart where they don't stick together, you're good to go. Once you've got them all laid out like that, all you need to do is bring them into the refrigerator and refrigerate them until you're ready to serve. After being refrigerated for about an hour, you should be able to take those out and place those onto your serving dish. And be sure to check out our monkey bread video, which you can see by clicking right there. Now, if you've enjoyed this video, be sure to click that like and subscribe button and share your comments down below. God bless.